Because it has anomalies. It moves on a trajectory that is very unusual, is aligned with the orbit of the Earth around the Sun, and it will get extremely close to the inner planets like, for example, Jupiter, Mars, or Venus. It will arrive closest to the Sun when the Earth is on the opposite side, so we won't be able to look at it. The chance of this trajectory is less than 0.2% to be aligned with the orbit of the Earth around the Sun, less than one part in 20,000 to arrive so close to the other planets. And one wonders, could it be a design trajectory?
Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb has made a startling declaration about the third interstellar visitor to our solar system. The object designated 3I Atlas isn't behaving like any comet we've ever encountered. At 7 miles wide, it's the largest interstellar object ever detected, dwarfing both Oumuamua and Borisov combined. But size isn't what has the scientific community divided. This ancient wanderer, potentially billions of years older than our solar system, is following a trajectory so precisely aligned with Earth's orbital plane that the odds of this happening naturally are less than 0.2%. Even more intriguing, 3I Atlas will reach its closest approach to the Sun exactly when Earth is positioned on the opposite side, completely hidden from our view. Some researchers are calling this coincidence. Loeb believes it might be intentional surveillance. The object's path brings it within striking distance of Jupiter, Mars, and Venus with mathematical precision that defies random chance. As we speak, NASA is considering redirecting the Juno spacecraft to intercept this mysterious visitor before it disappears back into the cosmic void forever. The discovery of 3I Atlas on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile, marked a pivotal moment in our understanding of interstellar objects. Unlike its predecessors, this massive visitor arrived with characteristics that immediately set it apart from anything we've previously encountered in our cosmic neighborhood. Spectroscopic analysis has revealed that 3I Atlas contains water ice mixed with organic molecules. But this water appears chemically pristine, lacking the heavy isotopic signatures typically found in comets formed within our solar system. This suggests the object formed in an entirely different stellar environment, possibly 7 billion years ago, making it a time capsule from the early universe when our solar system didn't even exist. The object's retrograde orbit means it's traveling in the opposite direction to the planets, a characteristic shared with only the most ancient objects in our solar system. But what makes 3I Atlas truly extraordinary is its hyperbolic trajectory with an eccentricity well above 1, confirming it will make only a single pass through our solar system before returning to interstellar space forever. Dr. Avi Loeb, the Harvard astrophysicist who previously suggested that Oumuamua might be artificial technology, has turned his attention to 3I Atlas with even greater intensity. In his latest research paper, Loeb points to several anomalous characteristics that distinguish this object from natural comets and asteroids. The most compelling evidence, according to Loeb, lies in the object's trajectory alignment. 3I Atlas follows a path that remains within 5 degrees of the ecliptic plane, the same plane in which Earth orbits the Sun. For a randomly arriving interstellar object, the probability of such precise alignment is extraordinarily small. Loeb calculates the odds at less than 1 in 500, suggesting this might not be coincidental. Even more intriguing is the object's timing. 3I Atlas will reach perihelion on October 29, 2025, precisely when Earth is positioned on the opposite side of the Sun. This means that during the object's closest approach, when it would be most active and potentially revealing its true nature, it will be completely hidden from Earth-based observation. Loeb suggests this timing could be strategically planned rather than coincidental. The size discrepancy also raises questions. At approximately 7 miles in diameter, 3I Atlas is massive compared to previous interstellar visitors. Oumuamua measured only about 400 meters long, while Borisov was roughly 975 meters across. The statistical likelihood of detecting such a large interstellar object, given the rarity of these visitors, suggests we might be observing something fundamentally different from natural space debris. Loeb's surveillance hypothesis proposes that 3I Atlas could be a sophisticated probe designed to study our solar system while remaining undetected. The object's trajectory would allow it to observe multiple planets during its passage, gathering data on Earth, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, before disappearing beyond our detection capabilities. This theory gains credibility when considering the object's approach pattern. 3I Atlas will pass within 18 million miles of Mars on October 3, 2025, close enough for detailed observation of the red planet. It then continues to Venus and Jupiter, creating what Loeb describes as a grand tour of our solar system's most interesting worlds. The dark forest hypothesis, popularized in science fiction but taken seriously by some scientists, suggests that advanced civilizations might send passive observation probes to study other star systems without revealing their presence. Such probes would be designed to gather intelligence while avoiding detection, exactly the behavior pattern that 3I Atlas appears to exhibit. NASA's response to these theories has been measured but significant. The space agency is seriously considering redirecting the Juno spacecraft, currently orbiting Jupiter, to intercept 3I Atlas during its March 2026 flyby of the gas giant. This mission would require precise timing and fuel management, but it represents our best opportunity to study an interstellar object up close. The Juno intercept mission would involve firing the spacecraft's engines to alter its orbit around Jupiter, positioning it to encounter 3I Atlas at a distance of approximately 27 million kilometers. While this might seem far, it would be close enough for Juno's instruments to analyze the object's composition, magnetic properties, and surface characteristics in unprecedented detail. Juno's scientific instruments, including its near-infrared spectrometer, magnetometer, and high-resolution cameras, if the object is artificial, these instruments might detect metallic compositions, geometric structures, or electromagnetic signatures that would be impossible to explain through natural processes. The timing constraints for this mission are critical. The window for redirecting Juno opens in September 2025, requiring immediate decision-making from NASA administrators. The spacecraft would need to execute a complex gravity-assisted maneuver around Jupiter to gain the velocity necessary to intercept the interstellar visitor. International collaboration has intensified around 31 Atlas observations. The European Space Agency's Mars orbiters, including Mars Express and the Trace Gas Orbiter, are being positioned to observe the object during its close approach to Mars. These spacecraft could provide multiple observation angles and potentially detect features invisible to Earth-based telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope has been scheduled to observe 3I Atlas during its December 2025 reappearance when the object emerges from behind the Sun. Webb's infrared capabilities could reveal the object's thermal signature and compositional details that might confirm or refute theories about its artificial nature. Ground-based observatories worldwide are coordinating their efforts to maximize observation time. The Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile, with its unprecedented survey capabilities, will track 3I Atlas throughout its journey, creating a comprehensive database of the object's behavior and characteristics. The scientific implications of 3I Atlas extend far beyond the object itself. If Loeb's theories prove correct, this discovery would represent humanity's first confirmed encounter with technology from another civilization. Such a revelation would fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the universe and the prevalence of intelligent life. Unusual characteristics include the possibility that it represents a new class of interstellar object with properties we don't yet understand. Some scientists suggest the object might be a fragment of a disrupted planet from another star system, explaining its large size and unusual composition. The pristine water ice found in 3I Atlas could indicate formation in the outer regions of another star system, where different chemical processes might create objects with characteristics unlike anything in our solar system. This natural explanation would still make 3I Atlas scientifically invaluable as a sample of alien planetary formation. Spectroscopic observations continue to reveal new details about the object's composition. The presence of organic molecules mixed with silicates suggests a complex formation history that might involve multiple stellar environments or unusual chemical processes not found in our solar system. Most comets begin showing gas and dust tails when they reach the distance where 3I Atlas currently travels, but this object remains remarkably inactive. This behavior could indicate either an artificial nature or a composition fundamentally different from solar system comets. The object's October 2025 perihelion passage will subject it to intense solar heating, potentially triggering outgassing or structural changes that could reveal its composition. If the object remains inactive during this close solar approach, it would strengthen arguments for an artificial origin. The December 2025 reappearance of 3I Atlas will provide our final opportunity for detailed study before the object disappears into interstellar space. During this period, the object will be 170 million miles from Earth, close enough for detailed telescopic observation, but far enough to ensure safety. Long-term tracking of 3I Atlas will continue even after it leaves our solar system. Radio telescopes will monitor the object for any electromagnetic emissions that might indicate artificial systems activating once the object believes it has completed its mission and is safely beyond detection. The discovery of 3I Atlas represents a watershed moment in our search for evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. Whether this massive interstellar visitor proves to be a natural phenomenon or something more extraordinary, it has already revolutionized our understanding of what travels between the stars. Avi Loeb's bold hypothesis challenges the scientific community to consider possibilities that extend beyond conventional explanations. His willingness to propose artificial origins for unusual astronomical objects has sparked intense debate and rigorous scientific investigation that benefits our understanding regardless of the final conclusions. As the object approaches its closest point to the Sun and potentially reveals its secrets, humanity may be on the verge of answering one of our most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Whether 3I Atlas proves to be an ancient natural relic from another star system or evidence of extraterrestrial technology, this massive visitor has already expanded our cosmic perspective and demonstrated that the universe continues to surprise us with phenomena beyond our current understanding. What do you think about the possibility that we're being observed by an advanced alien probe? Could 3I Atlas be humanity's first encounter with extraterrestrial technology? Or are we seeing natural processes we don't yet understand? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Space Aquarius for the latest updates on this developing story and other mysteries of the cosmos.